If you're looking for a way to get music into a little person's life, then this little piano might just be the way to go. So you've got a couple of settings there. I go right past the music setting straight to the piano setting. So the piano setting is what it sounds like. So it gives you the notes. There's 3 notes and 3 middle notes. A lot of fun. There's no moving parts, you're just touching the piece of cardboard or the piece of plastic here, I guess. There's no buttons to push, you got some AA batteries in the back to keep it powered. Now, if they do want to if you just want to use it as a music box, it'll work as that as well. It does have a couple of little things here to keep people entertained if the music isn't doing it. But a lot of fun. Hope this helps.